Did you know dry carpet cleaning or deep extraction dry compound cleaning gets carpets cleaner, while using 97% less water than traditional HWE or steam cleaning? Our dry organic carpet cleaning process is the best and safest way to clean your carpets. Your carpets will be dry in minutes, not days, with our low moisture, deep extraction carpet cleaning techniques. We always use the safest, greenest products available in the industry to ensure the safety of your family and ours. According to industry estimates, there are about 200 billion square feet of carpet in the United States. Cleaning all of this carpet just once with our dry carpet cleaning system would save 9,770,000,000 gallons of water. That's enough water to fill 195 million standard full bathtubs, flush a 1.6-gallon toilet more than 6 billion times, or sustain over 53 million people for 1 year or over 670,000 people for their lifetimes. Don't get soaked. Give us a call today for cleaner, greener, drier, healthier carpet in your home.